Today, we will talk about what an irrevocable beneficiary is and their rights in a life insurance policy or a segregated fund contract. An irrevocable beneficiary is a person or entity designated to receive the assets in a life insurance policy or a segregated fund contract. You can't change the beneficiary status, terms of the policy, or cancel the policy without the beneficiary's consent. An irrevocable beneficiary has certain guaranteed rights to assets held in the policy or fund. It's a more ironclad status than that of a revocable beneficiary. For example, a spouse who is an irrevocable beneficiary has the right to a policy payout even after a divorce. The main advantage is that it ensures that money goes where you want it to go. It can be especially important in this era of multiple marriages and blended families. Making a beneficiary irrevocable can safeguard an inheritance. Irrevocable beneficiaries can play a role in estate planning. If you put a life insurance policy in an irrevocable life insurance trust, the proceeds are then considered removed from your estate, thus avoiding potential estate and gift taxes after your death. The primary disadvantage is inflexibility. You can't make any changes without the beneficiary's consent. An additional disadvantage with irrevocable trusts is that you lose control of the assets in the trust, ceding that control to a trustee. A policyholder can be ordered by a court to designate their ex-spouse as a designated beneficiary. However, state law ultimately decides the rights of beneficiaries to an insurance policy, whether they are revocable or irrevocable beneficiaries. Financial planners and insurance companies recommend that you review your beneficiaries whenever a major life change occurs: marriage, divorce, the birth of a child, or death. You can't without difficulty. An irrevocable beneficiary can only be removed if the beneficiary agrees to be displaced, voluntarily surrendering their status. Here are two key takeaways. 1. An irrevocable beneficiary is a person or entity designated to receive the assets in a life insurance policy or a segregated fund contract. 2. An irrevocable beneficiary is a more ironclad version of a beneficiary. Their entitlements are guaranteed, and they often must approve any changes in the policy. Irrevocable beneficiaries cannot be removed once designated unless they agree to it, even if they are divorced spouses. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.